Hello everyone, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is host Paras from Katosh Tubes, and today I'm going to talk about passive income streams. Okay, so I've already shared several videos in the series. If you want to check it out, just click on the link above and get to know those videos as well. Today, in a special video, I will talk about generating a passive income using Amazon as a tool. Yes, you heard it right. So, in today's video, I will tell you how to generate a passive income by using Amazon and helping the sellers out. So, how you do it is actually you help the sellers out, the people who want to sell, who want to sell their products online but have very little or no idea how to access the internet and use Amazon tools as a whole. So all you need to do is get a proper knowledge of using Amazon tools, Amazon flat files, uploading products, and also you should be aware of the special things like keywords marketing, how you should do a digital marketing of the products, and also side by side you're listing and promoting products for the seller and getting paid either on commission basis or on a per listing basis or an hour basis of list. That is up to you. It's you need a kind of marketing work. You should be open to contact the sellers who want to tie up with you and help them outlist the products online. So once you are ready to you have a sellers on your on your hands, just help them out, list their products online, know the products, list them out, and then market from them, and whatever sale they get, you get the share of it. It's very simple. So right now I'm going to take you to Amazon Listing Center. I have done it in the past, so I'm doing it right now also to generate my side income. It's a very good source of side income. It's a bit of hectic work, but yes, it's a good income streams and assured income streams that I must say to you. So I will take you through right to the Amazon Seller Central where I will tell you the files. So let's get ahead to the Amazon Seller Central and let's get the things. So first of all, you need to go to Amazon Seller Central, which is sellercentral.amazon.in or .com. So once you log in into Amazon Seller Central, you will see this home screen. So this is the home page for Amazon Seller Central. There are various options like catalog, inventory, pricing, orders, advertising, reports, performance and services. So first of all, you need to know how to list a product. It's all about listing the product and getting paid, right? So going to add a product. So in add a product, there are two options. First, list a new product which is already existing on Amazon, and second is list a totally new product. If you want to list a new product, just put its ASIN number, which is this example I have taken from here. This is JBL Go portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, and this ASI number is this one right here. You copy here and you paste it, you search for it, and here is, as we can see, it has located the particular product. So this product, either you can list it or you can create a new product listing. So these are the options, but I will take you through the easiest one, which is called as downloading an inventory file and then uploading it to list the products online. So here there are various categories. Yes, you can see this download an inventory file options. In this tab, you can get all the categories, whichever you can ever think of listing the products. Okay, so I'm going to choose a clothing and accessories. In that, you can say, let's say men's. In men's, let's say I choose ethnic wears. So in ethnic wears, let's say I got kurtas to select. So I select this particular category. In this category, it gives you special note. I will tell you what's the use of it later. So in there, you can see the inventory files option, right? In the below is the inventory file option. Either you can get a file template here, but I will suggest to go for the particular main category. So the inventory file options, category specific inventory files, just go to it. And as it opens, you can see there must be clothing. Yeah, right here, clothing. So click on clothing. So when you click on the clothing tab, it will download an inventory file for you. So this is a flat file clothing that I was talking about. So in this flat file, you need to put all the product details. I will show you the flat file, how it looked. So here is the flat file. You need to enable the macros, and in Apple there is a problem of listing of products. You can do it better in in Windows. In Apple is there a problem with the Amazon flat files, they are not able to save them, so always use this in Windows. So once you choose the flat files, There are various things, using the how to use the inventory files option is there. The image instructions are there. The data definitions are there. Like every category has some definitions. You directly go to the template. So in template, once you go here, there are various options. You need to check the product. Like let's say I chose this ethnic wear. SKUs are nothing but the count, the particular type of product that you have. It can be a particular number, like either it's 1, 2, 3 or ABC. That's up to you. Let's say I put it as one. So as I put it at one, let's be this is a manufacturing part number. This is any random number. Let's say ETH. That is for your case, as you want to identify which product that I've listed. Just check on the manufacturing part number. Keep the product ID and external product ID and external product ID type as blank. So here's the item name. So I'm going to take it quick. I'm just going to fill it item name. Let's say men's ethnic kurtas. Okay, men ethnic kurtas. So mind my spellings. Product description about the products that you are listing, like special kurta, should be detailed one. Brand name, what is the brand name that you are targeting right here? Okay. Manufacturer is definitely the seller name. So what is the seller name? You can put it here. Update, delete, since a new product you should put update. If you want to update it later, just put a partial update of the listed product, otherwise just update. So condition type is definitely new. You'll get a drop down options. So here you can put the maximum retail price, standard price, quantity, and everything. These columns are not mandatory much, but it's good to fill them. This is also not mandatory shipping weight, but it's up to you to fill it or not. This is very important section. This is called key product features. So all the top five features, if you can get back to one of the product, let's say JBL, right? In JBL, if you put the key features, comes right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the features that JBL has listed. So right now for your own product, you need to list these bullet points. If you list this bullet point, the chance of your sales get increased. And as I said, the browse nodes. For Amazon to recognize which product and which category you're targeting, as I showed you at the start of the video, this is the node that you need to copy it and paste it right here. Paste it here, okay, and that's it. So make sure to always insert the browser nodes, which is very important for Amazon to crawl the products in the right way. This is the key part, generic terms. So this is kind of SEO of your products on Amazon. You need to know what keywords to use to get your products highlighted on the front page, or at least on the top, on the top searches. So let's say it's ethnic, I can put ethnic wear as one of the two keywords. So I can also put many keywords like 14 to 15 for this. So make sure you never let this points like key bullet features and the search keywords, never miss them. Okay, and these are the images you need to put in terms of a URL. So apart from this, you can keep this page as empty, and this is one of the important part. If you have, let's say, ethnic kurtas, as product is a one brand, but it comes in different sizes. So in different sizes, you should put a variation theme. So there is child in terms the product sizes. Let's say it's 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. These are numbers, so you need to put child for that particular. Parent is a product, and this variation are the child. You put the parent SKU, which SKU that you are targeting, like I told, 1, 1, 1, 1 for everyone. Relationship type. So relationship type for the variation will be variation. It's a variation type. And variation theme, since it's about a size, so you can put a variation theme as out of these many, as let's say in my case a size name 32, 38. Size name will be the variation theme. Otherwise there are a lot of options. You have color variation, you have item variation, you have material variation, you have size variation. So a lot of options there. Country of origin, you can put which country, it's not mandatory. Okay, I will tell you the which fields are. HSN code is also taken care of by Amazon, but it's better that you fill it. Okay, and this is should be filled. Target gender, let's say male. Style name is not necessary. Sleeves is, since it's not, it's kurtas not necessary. Size name and size. Here is what I was talking about. So you should put size name in turn the place where I talked about the sizes. Let's say we have 30 waist, and let's say we have 32 here, 32 here. Yeah, likewise you can put the same in the size map, or you can just take it down, just copy it out and paste it. That's all you need to do, like this. Okay. This is also one of the important column to fill, which is your material type. Let's say it's cotton. I pull the cotton. You put cotton in every column necessaries. So color name also. If there is a black color, just fill the black color coding here. Like you have many options of colors. Let me show you. It's black. Let's say it's black. Okay. So you put black in total with parents and child everything like this, and you copy it and paste in the color name also. This is the thing. So this is the simple way of filling up a flat file, or list the products of the sellers online. You don't need to worry about these all the special features. This is not necessary. Remember to have the fitting type fill. Let's say kurtas regular fit, and let it be across the child's also, this information till here. Okay, lifestyle you can fill, otherwise not necessary. All these columns are not very much mandatory. So I told you about column which are necessaries to get the file uploaded online. So these are the columns which I have told you. Let's do a quick recap of the similar thing. So this is all about listing the products for the seller online. Just choose the template, just choose the product subtype, help them out whichever the product they have, list them out, learn this Excel. It's very easy, it's not very difficult. Even if you face some problem, you just call a seller central care, and they are very quick and very good people to respond to. Okay, they will help you out. So this is all about listing the products. Once you have listed the products, the flat files, like bunch of products, you directly need to go to upload your inventory file. Either you can go from there, or you can go to inventory and choose add product via upload. Once you do this, all you need to do first is choose this file, that particular file that you have. Let I have flat files called clothing, and you know just giving my email ID and checking the files likewise. So once it's done, once give you a green signal, you are more than it's a go ahead for you. So you just wait here till the result come out, and if there's any error, it will show you like I've uploaded all many files before. These are 8 successful files, 0 error. There's some with some error, so I corrected it and uploaded it, and it get uploaded on the inventory column. So that's how you do it for the sellers. So these are the products that I have uploaded so far for a seller. Okay, let's say these are the wallets. I show you one of the example. So this is a product which is uploaded by me, giving all the you know details, the images, the better quality. So and all you need to do is to market them. Once I market them, the chances of sales are higher. So that's how it's done. I hope you like the video. I hope you get an idea how to get the product listed on Amazon or any other e-commerce site, and help the sellers out and get paid for it. That's all the game is all about. Okay, so I'm switching back to the camera, and let's make a summary of everything. Okay, so that's all about Amazon listings. Hope you like the video. Hope you get an idea how to generate a passive income for yourself by listing a seller's product online. All you need to do, be proactive, meet more sellers, get them online, get the product listed, generate a revenue for them. It's a win-win situation. They generate revenue, you also get your share. So I think this is one of the best way to generate a passive income for yourself and generate an income for the sellers. Hope you like the videos. If you have any doubt, just comment below and I will be swift to response. Make sure to hit like button and subscribe the channel, because more videos are on the way about passive income stream. If you have any idea, any suggestion, if you want to give me about the passive income streams, any question itself, feel free to contact me. Till then, goodbye, adios, and have a nice day.